Good evening, everyone. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I welcome Mr. Amit Mishra, and he will talk on the topic Revolution in Agriculture, Organic Farming. I now request the speaker to begin. Thank you.
Very good evening to everyone. My name is Amit Mishra. I'm from Ayodhya, UP. I'm an organic farmer and multi-layer farmer. Today, I have to speak on organic farming. First of all, I would like to thank all the agriculture department, technical team, and all the listener who is give his valuable time to attend this Zoom meeting. First of all, I would like to inform you that why should anyone do organic farming? Because in today's world, organic farming is necessity. Organic farming is not compulsory today, but after 2-3 decades, it will be mandatory. So it is our choice. We will start organic farming from today, or we will wait when it will make necessary organic farming and we have not any option. Why we should start organic farming? First, I would like to talk on this topic. Today, due to climate change and decreasing of soil fertility, the cost of cultivation is increasing not season by season, but day by day the cost of cultivation is increasing. But the nutrition value of crop or fruit or vegetable is decreasing. And today we are using a lot of pesticides, chemical and fertilizer. The substance of these pesticides and chemicals are absorbed by crop, and we are consuming that chemical and pesticides substance in our body in the form of vegetable or crop. It is collecting in our body day by day, and after some years, sometimes it come out in the form of different type of diseases. And one major issue, the nutrition value of vegetable, fruits or crops are decreasing. The cost of agriculture, the quantity of water is increasing. So farming is a very expensive for the farmer. So farmers are not willing to do the farming, and we purchase or produce the food for our bodies for good health, but we don't know that we are paying money to eat chemical and poison in the form of fruit and vegetable pulses, etc., etc. So now I will start to say how to start a common farmer organic farming. If you have 1,000 square meter of farming land. I'm not saying you that you start farming directly 1,000 square meter. Don't convert all the land in the organic farming. Just start from 200 square meter of land. 100 square meter of land. Just like a experiment. Just make that small piece of land is your experimental farm. Start the farming in your 100, 200 or 300 square meter area. First, practice in that small part of land organic farming. After that, when you are getting result, just analyze that result, work for better, and when you think that now you can do organic farming, you can then convert your whole land step by step in the fully organic farming. When your land will be converted into fully organic farming, you will get more money for less crop. And the best part and God blessing that you will get very, very sweet, nutritious, poison free food for yourself and your family and your society. That is a very good and noble cause. Now I come that how to start organic farming. Now I would like to talk about basic of organic farming. First, you will start putting vermicompost, cow dung, cow urine, or organic fertilizer into your land. But after some time, there is no need to put anything in your land for organic farming. How it will happen? Let's see. When we start organic farming, we are putting chemical and pesticides. So the microorganism of soil, which is beneficiary and which is necessary for our crop, their number are decreasing and decreasing. What you have to do, just use cow dung, residue of your crop, compost them in your land, mix them with your soil. Just you have to increase microorganism in your soil. When day by day, season by season activity, the microorganism will increase in your soil, then the microorganism have a cycle. When one layer of microorganism will die after completing their life cycle, they will compost and mix with soil in the form of nutrient which is necessary for your soil. So after 3 to 4 years, the ratio of microorganism in soil will come to a certain level. After that, their cycle will repeat and repeat, and the body of microorganism will mix with soil and they will give all the necessary substance which is required for your soil. So you can start organic farming in this way. First of all, we have to use just cow dung and all the green substance of your crop or dry substance of your crop mix with cow dung. Then you have to mix cow urine and jaggery with water and spray on that your cow dung and crop residue. After that, keep moisture, and after some time, after maybe you 7 to 10 days, you have to repeat this process. You have to add jaggery with cow urine and add water and then spray it over the pile of cow dung and crop material. They will compost, and when they will just become like a vermicompost, it is ready to use as a organic substance, organic compost. In this way, you can start your organic farming. First, start from your common crop, for example, wheat, rice. When you get expert in this common crop, then you can come into vegetable or leafy vegetable or fruit, anything. So in this simple way, you can start organic farming. One thing I would like to request you, just start the organic farming in a small area of your land. Don't make it complicated. Keep it simple. After that, you will get the result. Maybe it will take some time. It is depend on your condition of soil health, how much the soil health is damaged, how much chemical and pesticides residue is present in your soil. Maybe your land is ready for organic farming in 1 year, maybe it will take 2 to 3 years. More you give the effort to convert your soil into organic soil, it will give you result faster. So it will take so much time if I'll give you one by one, step by step, that all the organic pesticides or organic compost, how to make or something like this, it will take so much time. So just if you would like, I'm just suggesting you my one organic farming channel. You can visit there and you can learn there how to start organic farming, how to make organic pesticides, how to make vermicompost. All these information are on my channel. Please note the channel name, Natural Organic Farming by Amit Mishra. So this is from my side. There is a lot of wrong information or myth in the market that organic farming is very tough. It will take so much time. It is not possible. But I'm not saying all these humor are right or wrong. Just you start yourself and then you take decision what is good for you and what is good for your family. Once again, I am repeating, if you have 1000 square meter of land for farming, just start in 200 square meter. Just start in 100 square meter. Just start in a small earthen pot. Organic farming. Just you can start organic farming in vegetable. Just use vermicompost. You can make vermicompost in your land, or if you can, then you can buy vermicompost from market. And you, if you don't have any farming land and you are living in a city, you can start organic farming in earthen pot. Just purchase vermicompost and start growing vegetable. Maybe you will fail first time, maybe you will fail second time, but just write down your problem and you will get the solution on YouTube, or you can contact your agriculture department. There are many organic farming scientists. They will help you all the things what to need, how to do. Just the toughest part is start. Just you start organic farming. Just you start organic farming, and it will be blessing for your family, for your society, for your country, for your lovely planet Earth. That's from my side. If anyone who want to ask some question about organic farming, they can ask me. I'm ready to answer their question. Thank you very much. Once again, I would like to thank all the listener, agriculture department, and all the support team who is make it happen this small session. It is my pleasure to address all you lovely people. Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir, for a wonderful talk. I will take up the questions now. The first question is, what were the biggest challenges you faced during the transition from conventional to organic farming?
Yeah, that's a very good question. The biggest problem when I started approximately 10 years back organic farming, I don't have information how to start. And there is a lot of information when I'm trying to get the information. There is a lot of information that you have to put this organic fertilizer, you have to take this all this certification, or a lot of things. Means the main thing, how to start. So the best way to start, you choose a land, just cover their boundaries, that the chemical water or the spray which is using chemical spray, that does not come to your land with the air or with the water. Because if you are farming in a small land and your neighbor is farming with chemical, that chemical come with the water in rainy season in your land. So all the microorganism which you are developing for your soil health will die and decrease their ratio. So first, cover your land and make sure that chemical substance, chemical fertilizer can't come in the air and can't come with the water. And the biggest problem when we start farming, our land is not fertile and a lot of chemical in our land, so the crop will not get appropriate fertilizer or nutrition. So for this, I would suggest for 1 year just grow, that is called green manure. In Hindi, that is called dhaicha or sanai. Just grow them, then with the help of harrow, mix with soil, and after that, spray cow urine all over that your green crop and put water. Keep it from 7 to 10 days for compost, and after that mix it with soil. So in this way you will give some nutrition to your soil. So after, just repeat this cycle in 3 to 4 times. After that you start farming. So now your soil has microorganism, nutrition, and organic fertilizer. So in one line, the main issue, soil is not fertile. When we grow crop, crop will grow very weak. So first make fertile your soil, then start growing or start farming. Yes, please.
Okay. How long did it take for your farm to become fully organic and profitable?
So actually, first 6 months, I just work to put a lot of green crop to my soil to grow it, means a microorganism. It will take just 2 years to get good result to my crop. So but it will differ that how commentated your soil, how much chemical residue in your soil, and how much you are putting effort to put green manure or vermicompost or compost cow dung. So it is maybe you can cover it less time also, but if your effort is not too much, then maybe it will take more time. So much you put effort, time will decrease. That's it.
Okay. Which crops are more suitable for organic farming in the current market scenario?
So it is up to you that what is your goal. Is you are making this crop for your livelihood or for selling in the market, or what is climate in your area. So main, if you would like to start organic farming, so it is best you can start from wheat or you can start from paddy, or the best and easiest way to start organic farming, you can start from pulses, gram, because these pulses and are required less less nutrient, because already they manufacture nutrient in the soil. So you can start from wheat, paddy, or best you can start from pulses or gram.
Okay. Sir, can you explain your soil fertility management practices without chemical fertilizer?
Yeah, just when I start, so then I, trolley when that is used in a tractor, I purchase cow dung. For example, if I purchase 5 quintal cow dung, I just collect cow dung in a shadow. After that, I make a platform of approximately 1.5 foot. Then I make hole of 4 to 5 inch with the help of bamboo on the platform. For example, this is a layer of cow dung. The height is 1.5 foot, and all that is covered, protected from sunlight. I'll just hole with a bamboo on gap of 10 to 12 inch, all on this platform. After that, if it is 5 quintal, I'll take 10 liter of cow urine of desi guy, indigenous cow, and I'll put 3 kg jaggery into that, and I'll put 100 liter of water and put in a drum and leave for 1 week. And every day in the morning, I came and I just, with the help of a stick, mix it. After 1 week, all the holes are there on the platform of cow dung. I'll put that liquid in that hole, and after that, with the help of fowler, I mix this liquid with the cow dung. I'll repeat this process every week, every week, every week. It will take just 45 to 50 days to make it compost. So I make this compost, and before start farming, I'll mix this compost with our soil.
Okay. What natural pest and disease control methods have worked best for you?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Actually, there are a lot of pesticides for different disease and for different crop. But I'll now discuss with you some two common pesticide which we can use. The first and best is cow urine. Just add 5 ml in 1 liter water, cow urine, and you can spray it on crop. And another one is buttermilk of desi cow. You can put a buttermilk. Suppose you can take 5 liter of buttermilk and add some 1 liter of cow urine with that, and in a soil big pot, keep it for 15 days. Occasionally spake it. After 15 days, liquid is ready. So now just put 50 ml in 1 liter and you can spray. Not if some disease come, you can spray it for protection or maybe for a liquid fertilizer once a week. Or sometime if you are looking that some pesticides are come, you can do after 3 days.
Okay. Sir, how do you maintain yield level compared to conventional farming?
Okay, that's a very good question. So actually, it is very confusing because most of chemical farming they are using hybrid seeds. So, for example, in the paddy, there are some paddy seeds which are giving you 8 to means in 1 acre. For example, I am giving if you are using that hybrid seeds. So if you are getting in a land 10 quintal and if you are using your desi paddy seeds, you will get 5 quintal. But if you will start organic farming in the beginning, you have to not start with a hybrid seed. You have to start with desi seeds. So when you will start with desi seeds, in normal, if you are putting chemical, urea, dye, all these things, you are getting 4 to 5 quintal in a piece of land. But if you will do organic farming, in the beginning, you will get 2 to 3 quintal. Means 30 to 40%. But season by season, when microorganism will increase where in your soil, their dead body will become fertilizer for your crop, then you can cross that 5 quintal benchmark also, but it will take time.
Okay. How do you market your organic produce? Direct selling, retailers, or exports?
Yeah, that's the main cause that farmer are not doing organic farming because in the small city or maybe almost in the small city where the farmer belongs to, they grow the organic farming, but when they go to the market for sell their yield, they will not get any extra money for their yield. They will get the price of chemical crop. So the best way how you will overcome this problem. For example, if I'm living in a town but in a village, so maybe after 15 kilometer, maybe after 20 kilometer, there will be a small city. You just visit there and just observe that school professor, doctor, professional who can afford organic food. You can go to their home, just tell about what are the harm of chemical food and what you are offering them. And just you in the beginning, if 30 to 40% you can increase the price, and if you will ask from 10 people, it you will get 6 to 7 people. No, I don't need, but you will get 2 to 3 people. They will say yes, I'll use your crop, I'll purchase your crop. And then after that, the farmer duty is that give them best product, best service, make good relation. It will take some time, but if two to three, just you will get two to three customer, satisfied customer. They will give more and more customer, and I don't think you will be able to supply goods for them, but it will take some time, and you have to keep patience, and you have to groom yourself, that how will you represent your product, how will you pack your product in a simple way, how you will talk to the people, how you will represent that what are the harms of chemical foods, how diseases are increasing due to chemical vegetable, chemical fruits, chemical wheat, chemical paddy, and how you can save from this organic substance, organic food, organic vegetable, and this will be a blessing for your family. So the farmer have to work on their self. They have to build them as a good and natural salesman of their product.
Okay.
Ma'am, have you got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll
This
move
is
on to
the
the next.
toughest part, but it will take time. And if you can do it, you can't fulfill the demand, because I'm not saying it from reading books or anything. Already, I have done in Faizabad. I just start supplying vegetable from one person. After that, I have 25 satisfied customer, and I'm not able to fulfill their demand.
Okay. I'll move on to the next question, sir.
Yeah.
How important is organic certification, and is it necessary for the farmers to get certified?
Yeah. Listen, it is not a very tough job. There are some what say means non-profitable organization in every part of India. You can go to your agriculture department, ask them. They will give all the information, what to do, how to do, and you will get the certificate of organic certification. But it is necessary when you have to work on a large scale, and you have to import, or you have to sell your product to some big companies. So it is second step. First step, there is no need of any certification. Huh? But when you start the farming, you just go to your agriculture department of your area and just complete the procedure. It will take some time, and parallel you start making money from supplying the customer, and the customer will not ask from a certificate. You can offer them that you can visit to my farm, you can see the my setup, you can see the my crop, you can ask from the neighbor that I what I am using. So customer will satisfy. But if you will go on a big scale, or you will scale, then all these things will come in the play, but it will after some time. The main basic things is the people thinking a lot, and make a picture that it is very complicated, it is not easy, etc, etc. So in the beginning of presentation, I just say that start from a small piece of land, make a experimental land workshop, or you can start in gamla earthen pot in your balcony.
Okay.
You can start growing hara dhania, palak. You can purchase vermicompost from market. So just how much you are keen to consume organic food, poison free food.
Okay.
First you make amrit to your family.
Mhm.
You will
Okay.
feel the difference.
Okay. Sir, can organic farming be scaled for large farms or is it more suitable for
Yeah,
small
yeah,
ones?
yeah, yeah. No, no, no. If you have a large farm, then it is more easy. Then you can just make a big tank, and after that, with the help of pipe, you can put all the irrigation. With the help of irrigation, just mix the liquid in your irrigation water. So it is easy to do on a large farm. It is complicated if you have a small farm. So if you have a big land, then you can mechanize it. You can use the machine. You can use pipe irrigation.
What advice would you give to farmers who want to start organic farming with limited resources?
Just I would like to say, don't think about anything. Just think about you and your family, that I have to produce poison free food for our family. Just use cow dung and cow urine and make vermicompost and start growing vegetable and wheat and paddy. When you will use this organic food, then if you will represent in front of someone the thing which you will represent them, it will come from deep of your heart, because you have already used the product. So first start organic farming, not making money, not doing business. First you start organic farming for your family, to provide them poison free food. First consume, then say to the people who can afford it, or make awareness in your village, that see, I have done this and I have getting good result. You can repeat it, I'll help you. So you can develop a organic village. So it is not very tough. In the beginning, it looks tough, but it is not tough. I can see you because I have done it. Due to some reason, right now I'm in Lucknow uh, from past 3 years. So from past 3 years, I'm not doing organic farming due to some personal reason. But I have done it for several years, and I got that it is not too tough.
Okay. Are there any government schemes or support systems that truly help organic farmers?
Yeah, there is a lot of schemes for organic farming in the past years, but as I told you, I'm from 3 years not in the farming. So at the present time, what is the situation? I don't know, but I would like to say very frankly, don't you wish that someone other will help you. It will provide some money or something in every individual state government, you have to just visit your Krishi Vigyan Kendra. You will get all the information. I don't have detail because I haven't applied for any government scheme and I haven't got any. Yeah, I got the certification with the help of NGO. So I don't have required information about government scheme.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. We have now completed the round of questions. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we would like to thank Mr. Amit Mishra for the talk and for answering the questions. This meeting will now be closed.
I'm also very thankful that you provide me the platform to give my view. Thank you very much.
You are most welcome, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you.